Presenting the latest Mi 10T Pro 5G smartphone with a new glass back design. It is available in two colors, Lunar Silver and Cosmic Black. The phone is equipped with 8GB RAM and 128GB memory. This phone is a dual SIM capable with 2 nano SIMs. It has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus LCD touchscreen with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution, 395 ppi pixel density and 20:9 aspect ratio. It also has 144Hz AdaptiveSync intelligent display. The phone is equipped with 108 megapixel triple rear camera with 13 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro mode, 6 long exposure modes, photo clones, timed burst, document mode 2.0, panorama mode, portrait mode. The phone comes with 20 megapixel front camera. Mi 10T Pro 5G is powered by Android V10 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. The phone is equipped with 5000 mAh battery with Type-C 33-watt fast charger. Inside the box, you will find Mi 10T Pro, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case, screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This smartphone comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.